Should be losing the cops pretty soon here. Wonderful. An earthquake. This is just what I needed. Look at my car. I don't even know if I should try to be making any progress. How did I end up all the way over here? Where am I? Am I up in the sky? It's hard to tell with delayed camera. Yeah, I'm for sure like way up in the sky. I should be fine as long as I land okay. Nice, I did. I went from around here to all the way down by the airport. It threw me almost a mile. Oh, mower blades. This isn't mower blades. I don't know what the fuck that is. I just wanted to test out the mower blades. If I keep moving this... Okay, well, I can't keep moving now. I don't have much of a chance of surviving this. And I got the cops somehow. When literally everything is attacking me, I somehow get the cops. And Franklin died.
Can you read?